Assalamualaikum students, this is Miss Maruk from SM Public Academy Campus 5. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. Let's start today's lecture. We are going to do Unit 8 today, and Unit 8 is Exclamation Mark. Okay? Keep your language books in front of you and open Unit 8 Exclamation Mark. It is on page number 18. Before moving towards exclamation mark, let's discuss punctuation marks. What are punctuation marks? Marks that are used in writing to separate parts of sentences and make the meaning clear are called punctuation marks. Okay? We have already done 3 of these punctuation marks. Can you name them? What is this? Full stop. Very nice. And this one? This one is question mark. The third one is new that we are going to discuss in this unit. What is the name of this mark? It is exclamation mark. Okay? This one is exclamation mark that we are going to discuss today. And what about the last one? What is this? This is comma. Very nice. Let's review these 3 punctuation marks. Full stop, question mark and comma. Then we'll move toward the new one. Alright? A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So you have to keep in mind while doing the punctuation that a sentence will always start with a capital letter and there will be a full stop in the end. Okay? Just like this. This is a sentence. I have a big car. It is starting with a capital letter and there is a full stop in its end. Okay? The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. We always write I capital in the sentence, no matter where it appears in the sentence. Okay? It means it is always written capital in the sentence. Let's see an example to get this thing clear. Amir and I are brothers. Now you can notice I is made capital here. Okay, it is coming in the middle of the sentence. But we have written I capital because it is the rule of punctuation. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. It means we always write proper noun with a capital letter in the sentence. Let's see an example of this. She gave the book to Rohan. She, S is capital here because it is the first letter of the sentence. There is a full stop in its end. But why have we made R of Rohan capital? Because Rohan is a proper noun. It is a specific name of a boy. That's why we have made R capital. Okay? So proper noun is always written with capital letter. Okay? Now question mark. Let's see the example first. How many cookies did you eat? There is a question mark in the end. But why have we put question mark here? Here is the answer. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. This sentence is asking a question. It is starting with the question word. How? How many cookies did you eat? So, this is a question. That's why we have marked question mark in the end. Alright? Let's see comma. Here is an example. Let's read this sentence. My favorite fruits are apple and banana. Here we have only two items in the list, apple and banana. So there is no need to put comma in this sentence. But what if I change this sentence into this? My favorite fruits are apple, banana, and strawberry. In this case, we have three items in the list: banana, apple, and strawberry. So, we will use comma to separate them. My favorite fruits are apple, comma, banana, and strawberry. Okay? We do not put comma before and. So, comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. Alright? Now we have reviewed the punctuation marks that we had already done. Let's see exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is a punctuation mark. Okay? It is just like full stop, question mark. Alright? It comes at the end of the sentence. So, exclamation mark is basically the end mark. Okay? It comes in the end. Here is the exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark. Can you see this? Yes, this is exclamation mark. An exclamation mark shows that the writer feels strongly about something. Exclamation can show excitement or surprise. For example, look what I have found. This is showing a surprise. So exclamation mark has been put in the end. Exclamation mark can give warning. For example, don't shout. Don't shout. In the end, we have marked exclamation mark here. Exclamation can show that someone is hurt. For example, it's painful. I have marked exclamation mark in the end. Exclamation can show that something happened suddenly. For example, it's raining. It's raining is a sentence that shows that the rain began to fall suddenly. Okay? So I have marked exclamation mark in the end. Now we have discussed exclamation mark. Let's see the practice exercise on page number 18. Keep your pencils in your hands and do this exercise with me. In this exercise, we have to identify which of the following are exclamations and which of the following are questions. Okay? So we are going to write E for the exclamations and Q for the questions. Alright? Let's read the first one. Come here quickly. What is this? Can you see the mark in the end? You can easily identify whether it is exclamation or question. So it is exclamation. So I have written E here. Let's read another. Where are you going? This is a question. So what we will write? Q. What is the time? Again, it is a question. How do they do that? This is a question. Look what I have found. This is an exclamation. Why are you sad? This is a question. Help! I'm stuck. This is an exclamation. I feel quite dizzy. This is an exclamation. When can you go home? This is a question. Smash, bang, crash. This is an exclamation. So we can easily identify the questions and exclamations by looking at the end mark. If there is a question mark in the end, it means it is question. And if there is an exclamation mark in the end, it means it is an exclamation. Alright? We are done with practice exercise. Now let's see PYP. PYP, page number 19. In PYP, we have to punctuate the given sentences. Let's see the sentence 1. Is it safe to open the door now? What is this? What do you think? Is this an exclamation or a question? It is starting with a helping verb, is. So it is a question. First of all, we will make I capital. Is it safe to open the door now? Question mark. Number 2. Do not do that. This is a warning. And when there is a warning, we use exclamation mark. Here is the answer. First of all, we will make D capital because it is the beginning letter of this sentence. Do not do that. And here is the exclamation mark. Number 3. Come here. Come here is an order. C capital. And there is an exclamation mark in the end. Come here. Number 4. What do you think you are doing? It is starting with a question word. So it is a question. We will make W capital and there will be a question mark in the end. Just like this. What do you think you are doing? Number 5. Hands up. This is a robbery. Now It is showing that something happened suddenly. And when something happens suddenly, we use exclamation mark. Hands up, exclamation mark. And after exclamation mark, we begin the sentence with a capital letter. This. That's why T of this is capital here. This is a robbery. Okay? Number 6. What is for T? This is a question. We have made W capital and there is a question mark in the end. What is for T? Number 7. That's a nasty cut. Exclamation mark is also used to show the pain. Now here we can feel the pain. That's a nasty cut. So what are we going to use here? Exclamation mark. That is a nasty cut. Help! I am trapped in the mud. Help! Exclamation mark. Then I am trapped in the mud. Again exclamation mark. The person is calling somebody for help. We are done with PYP. I hope you have understood this topic well. And you can do these exercises in your copy. We are done now. Thank you for watching this video, my dear students. I will be back with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.